Welcome to our compact washer showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular options for small space laundry: the Black+Decker portable washer and the portable 2-in-1 twin tub washing machine. Both are designed for convenience and efficiency. But which one is right for you? Let's dive into the details and find out. When it comes to price, the Black+Decker portable washer is priced at $249 United States dollars, while the portable 2-in-1 twin tub washing machine is more budget-friendly at $149 United States dollars. This significant price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a cost-effective solution for your laundry needs. In terms of capacity, the Black+Decker portable washer can handle up to 6.6 pounds of laundry, which is suitable for small loads. On the other hand, the portable 2-in-1 twin tub washing machine boasts a much larger capacity of 22 pounds, making it ideal for bigger loads and families. This difference can greatly affect how often you need to do laundry. The Black+Decker portable washer offers 5 wash cycles, providing versatility for different fabric types and laundry needs. In contrast, the portable 2-in-1 twin tub washing machine features a dual motor system, enhancing its washing and spinning capabilities. This functionality can lead to better cleaning results and efficiency, making it a strong contender in this comparison. In conclusion, both the Black+Decker portable washer and the portable 2-in-1 twin tub washing machine have their unique advantages. The Black+Decker offers more wash cycles and a sleek design, while the twin tub provides a larger capacity at a lower price. Depending on your laundry needs and budget, one of these options may be the perfect fit for your home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.